Who are the Mythbusters?
Andreas.
This is science in action. And
Jakob.
bye-bye. Between them, more than 30 years of special effects experience. Joining them, Grant Imahara, Carrie Byron, and Tori Belleci. It's about to get real. They don't just tell the myths, they put them to the test.
The myth we are going to test is the myth that says, don't bite off more than you can chew. So is it possible to bite off more than you can chew?
We have found the test subject with the largest mouth. We are going to see if he can bite off the biggest chunk of a piece of food and then swallow it. And of course we're going to challenge him with something that he can't chew.
Of course it's possible. However, no other force must be applied, which means you can't push the food into your mouth.
We have found a true salami lover.
I'm a true salami lover. Ever since I was a little boy, I have always had a very large mouth. I have competed in a lot of eating contests and my mother has always been very proud of me.
To create the best possible circumstances for not being able to chew what you bite off, we have chosen to use the humble salami. Since Martin's gag reflex is very sensitive, we have found the perfect test subject. Jakob.
Jeg græder ikke.
Well, I think the myth has been confirmed due to the fact that Martin and I couldn't even chew it. We could only get it into our mouths and bite it off.
Yes, it's true, but we haven't tested for every guy, every person, so we don't know if one is able to bite off what they can chew. I say it's plausible.